In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add Google Analytics to your Squarespace website. This process will help you track visitor activity and better understand your audience. It's a simple sequence of steps, and I'll guide you through each one, so that even if you're a beginner, you'll find it easy to follow along. First, you'll need to start by logging into your Squarespace account. Head over to their website and enter your credentials to access your dashboard. Once you're logged in, you'll see a list of your websites on the dashboard. From this list, click on the specific website to which you want to add Google Analytics. This will ensure that all the analytics data you collect is tied to the correct site. Now that you've selected your website, look to the left side of your screen where you'll see the Site Manager panel. Here, you'll need to locate and click on the Settings option, which will open up a variety of configuration options for your site. This is where you fine-tune different aspects of your site's operations. Once in the Settings menu, scroll down and click on Developer Tools. This area houses advanced settings and tools that allow you to expand the functionality of your site. It's a handy section for integrating powerful tools like Google Analytics, so don't be intimidated by its developer-centric name. Moving on, you'll see an option labeled External API Keys. Click on this option. This is where you'll input various external tools that require a key or code to connect with your website. Now, here's a crucial step: getting your unique Google Analytics tracking code. Head over to your Google Analytics account. If you don't have one, take a moment to set it up. In your Google Analytics account, find your tracking code. This code is unique to your account and is what connects Google Analytics to your Squarespace site, allowing it to track visitor data. With your tracking code in hand, return to the External API Keys section on Squarespace. You'll see a field where you can paste your Google Analytics code. Carefully paste it into the provided space. Make sure there are no extra spaces or mistakes when you enter this code, as even the smallest error can prevent it from working correctly. Finally, after pasting your tracking code, don't forget to save your changes. Look for the Save button and click it to ensure that your Google Analytics integration is activated. This confirmation means you've successfully linked Google Analytics to your Squarespace site, and you're now ready to start gathering valuable insights about your website visitors. That's all there is to it. With Google Analytics now connected to your Squarespace site, you'll be better equipped to understand your audience and optimize your content accordingly. Thanks for watching, and happy analyzing.